Hi. I don't really know what channel this is going on, so I'm not going to introduce it for a channel. Basically, me and my flatmate Reese, who is my cameraman at this current time, have concocted, is that the right word?
I suppose so.
I don't know. we've thought of an idea for a YouTube channel, so this is it. Basically, we have quite a few weapons in this household. Not to shout it too loud, otherwise we'll end up with armed forces breaking the door down. And Reese is going to shoot me with them, and I can tell you what it's like. So if any of you want to buy one for any sort of intruders or whatever, or if you just want to watch the video to see me get shot at, whatever. So our first rifle, shall we say, Reese just pass it and show it.
Transition.
Okay. Step back to get it in. You got it?
Yep.
This is the Daisy Red Rider. Metal pellet BB gun, I guess. What is this thing? Under barrel? I don't know what is this. The thing.
Lever action.
Lever action, I said something to the word. Lever action. Yeah, it's already loaded, ready to roll. Hold. Following over here, move down there. It takes these metal
BBs.
ball bearings, yes. They don't tickle, hence why I have a bit of protection.
A pillow.
A pillow. Okay, let's switch on to it.
But ding. Dead man walking. Dead man walking.
Okay. This is Reese.
Hello.
Looking very sharpish. Show your rifle.
Yes, rifle.
Okay, there we go. I'm shaking, not because I'm scared, but because I'm cold. It's very cold here, and I'm a little bit chicken. Right. Where we shoot from? In here or in there?
Yo, the window over here.
Okay. Now, I don't want to. Right. We need a good point where we can show recordings. We should have really planned this better.
Yeah.
I had to close the microwave door. The phone. I have no idea if we're going to be seeing through this. Okay. Hopefully so. This is a tester. Well, we'll test tester. If you're going to shoot, make sure you're in the right place. Aim for there. Right?
Yeah, I will. And ready?
Go.
Go. Bang!
One best way I have to go and kill him. Aim for the cushion, dude.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that was a bit of a t-shirt.
No, it wasn't. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if you've heard. I think you did. Reese did shoot me, and I did feel it. So it hasn't made a hole.
Where did it hit you?
I don't know. I just felt lots of pressure. I should go back in there. Who knows? Maybe I followed it. Okay. So upon reflection, I'm going to shoot Reese now. Actually. Tip the cushion. You're actually going this one. And you'll feel it yourself. So, from my point of view, it was more noise than power. But to be honest, I was being shot with a cushion under me. So I'm just going to set this up somewhere so you can see. Come with me, and you'll see.
I like that.
That's what I was thinking. Okay. So, I'm sorry if you can't see, but there we go. One go. Where? Just to be lost goodbye. Okay.
Aim for the pillow.
Aim for the pillow. That's in 5. False alarm.
I'm still alive.
Still alive. Like.
No.
There we go. And it left a mark, but then don't touch it, don't touch it, because we're going to show the imprint. Ooh, here we go. See, now that was, yeah, you've actually got a permanent marker now. So, that, oh, there we go, I found it. one metal ball bearing. Okay, there might be some haters out there calling us stupid for doing it, but who cares, you only live once. YOLO. This thanks to our ballistics, sponsored by a pillow. And that was the Daisy Red Rider. What's that under thing called again? No, this thing, the loading thing. Underlever action reloading, yeah. You can buy it online, that's where Reese got his. Next video, we could be demoing this combat knife. We're gonna, honestly, not on each other now. It is a really quite strong knife. And also for future episodes, we also have newest one. Very excited. This, I'm not going to give too much away. This is a skeletal throwing knife. I have 3. I only got them a few weeks ago, maybe up to a month, who knows. And yeah, so we're going to be, you know, just showing you the whole, yeah, the whole, I don't know, we're not going to be throwing them at each other, and we're certainly not going to be stabbing each other. We're just going to show you the force, the sharpness, you know, the way that they move and they act, whatever. So we'll hopefully get some new guns in the future from our episodes, but please, 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 for our first episode, like, comment, subscribe, and peace.